Hi there, my name is Tabby. I wanted to jump on here and give a review about this memory foam beanbag filler. It's really a multi-purpose filler. It could be used in cushions and pillows or like plush stuffed animals, just to bring back some new life and give them some new cushion and comfort. I received this and I want to use it to refill my toddler's bean bags, and then I also want to use it on my couch pillows. So we're going to fill up the beanbag chair together and I'm going to tell you all about this product. So I really love the way that this came packaged. It came with its own little bag, and the memory foam shreds are individually packed inside. So here's what one roll looks like. All right, so that expanded. Wow, that was crazy. So this is huge. Each of these bags is 5 pounds of memory foam. So far, it doesn't seem to have much of a smell to the product, which I appreciate. So let's go ahead and get the beanbag filled up. So I just took handfuls of the memory foam and shoved it into the beanbag, mixing it with the existing beans until I got my desired fullness. Here's what the memory foam shreds look like up close. It's really just miscellaneous shreds. All right, so my impression is I love the way that this filled up this beanbag chair. It gives a lot more support now. I ended up using about half of a bag to top off this beanbag chair, so I'll have plenty left over that I can fill up some pillows. It's like a slow rebound, so it's super comfortable and extremely soft. And another thing I really love about this product is that it's all made of environmentally friendly materials, so that was really important to me. Let's fill up some pillows now. So this is one of my couch pillows, and it is currently filled with a down feather insert. So I'm going to take that insert out and I'm going to fill it with these memory foam shreds because there are constantly feathers poking through this and they are sharp and uncomfortable. So let's switch to the memory foam. So I'll probably need to open up and put a little bit more in this one. This is a very large pillow, but all in all, that went a long ways, and I think this is going to be so much more comfortable for me and my family. So if you are in need of some memory foam filler, whether it be for a beanbag chair, pillows, or like plush stuffed animals, then I would definitely give this one a try.